Mr. George Ireland's CR8080 30-foot varifeed header combining cassia barley at Skippett's farm Bere Regis. Darren driving and David Smith, our service manager, in the seat on a beautiful summer's afternoon. Everything's going well, proceeding well, good yield, good sample, and very importantly, excellent preparation of the crop that's coming out the back of the combine. The round balers fly in, as would the square balers. All in all, a good day. Now I'm going to shut up and show you some pictures of the combine coming up the hill with the A31 running in the background. Fairly steep incline, no issue coming up over, taking all the crop, giving a good clean short stubble height, an excellent presentation to the rotors, good clean sample. Once again presenting this superb swath, for which rotary combines, generally speaking, are not renowned, but the difference with the New Holland is that you can bale behind it and bale quickly. Covers up, grain tank full, just about to release its crop into the trailer.